Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you read the title, you saw the thumbnail, and today I'll be unboxing these amazing ARTEZA premium acrylic paints. I will start by showing off the packaging, and then towards the end I will actually show you a quick demo of me using them. Now the box has got this lovely black satin finish, which is classic and goes hand in hand with every other ARTEZA product that you can find. Something truly special about ARTEZA products is that they look really classy as well as performing exquisitely. You can see the UPC code right there if you're interested in getting some for yourself, which I highly recommend. I will also put some links obviously in the description. Let's not waste time and let's take this cellophane off, revealing this lovely satin finish as I mentioned earlier. There's the lovely big ARTEZA logo right there with a short description of the product itself on every side of the box, which does a really good job at telling you exactly what is inside. As I mentioned earlier, on the back there is the UPC code, the QR codes that if you scan with your phone, it will take you directly to their website, and a guarantee. They're so confident with the quality of their product that they will issue you a replacement if you're not happy with this product, i.e. if it's damaged, etc. This box has a very premium artsy feel to it. In contrast with that black finish, there's a lovely colourful abstract picture running around each side of the box except for the back. If we look at the top, it will show you exactly what colours are inside. As you can tell by me rubbing my hands together, I am really excited to see each colour in person. So now is the time to open the box itself. There are 14 pouches of acrylic paint inside. Usually paint comes in tubes, but I find pouches to be a lot better, a lot easier to squeeze too. Anyway, the first color is this lovely green. Oh, ARTEZA really likes naming their colors with really fancy names, like this ultramarine blue. This is gold. Yes, in this set there is gold, and I think there's silver too, but there's only one way to find out. Anyway, look at this attention to detail. This window in the front of the pouch shows you exactly what the color looks like, which is handy because at a quick glance you can tell exactly what color it is. This is black, but not just any black, it is Mars black. This warm color right here is burnt sienna, which is followed by lemon yellow. The next color is burnt umber. Another thing to point out is not only is there the name of the color written on the top left corner, but there's also the code. This is titanium white. Also, I'm sorry, but my hands are a bit dirty. I haven't had time to wash my hands because I'm recording this between projects. This is yellow ochre. You know what ARTEZA should do is a nice dark green and call it green ochre. Ochre green. Okay, I'll shut up. This one right here is my favorite color of the bunch. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna go with phthalo green, and this is phthalo blue. I really hope I'm saying it right, because otherwise it would be very embarrassing. This next color is crimson red. I don't know about you, but I really like the word crimson. It sounds good. Crimson. This next color is scarlet red. Now I wonder if you can guess what this next color is. Yes, it is silver. I picked it out last and that was completely accidental. Now it is time for some artistic flyby shots. I can't wait to try these out. In fact, I will show you a quick demo of me using them on some of my dinosaur projects. Enjoy these pretty shots and the painting demo, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. would like to give a massive thank you to all of my Patreons. Seriously guys, your support really does mean the world to me, as it helps me do what I love for you. You help me buy materials, and most of all, you give me a helping hand with improving the quality of the content of my videos. Even if it's just a small donation, every little helps. If you like my videos, please press the like button. And you could consider subscribing. It's free. Oh, and don't forget to press the notification bell button, because you don't want to miss any of my new stuff, right? I'm gonna say bye now, because when you gotta go, you gotta go. I will see you in the next one.